Hey guys, so today's the day that I'm gonna be painting the GS. I spent the last probably couple of days just getting it all taped up and cleaned, getting the rest of the kit painted with primer. At the moment, I'm just gonna be painting the car because I don't have enough space to be able to paint the kit at the same time. So I'm just gonna be doing the car and the front bumper. But yeah, at the moment we're gonna get it done tonight and let it cure overnight, so then tomorrow we can pull it out and get the rest of the kit done. Alright, so my camera ended up dying when I was painting. Things took a bit longer than I was expecting, and so I wasn't able to actually film me painting the car. It's been a few days actually since I actually painted it, but the whole car has now been reassembled and put back together. But I can now show you what it all looks like. It looks completely different to when I first got the car. But without further ado, I'll show you guys what it looks like now. So here it is. It came out really well. I still need to put little chrome trim along here so it matches the rest. But same with on the rear bumper. But it came out really well. It needs a good wet sand to clean up the orange peel, because like on the boot here, it didn't come out all that well. But nothing that a wet sand can't fix up. Yeah, so I'm really happy with it. For my first time painting, I didn't think I did too bad. There's definitely some areas where I need to improve with it. And I think next time I'm gonna paint a car, I'll choose a color that's a bit more simple to go with, because I think going with a 2-layer candy coat is a bit more complex for what I should have been doing, but that's all right. I'm not too concerned. All part of the process of learning. I can't complain. I definitely need to get new wheels for it, because the wheels, like the stock wheels for it, just look wrong. It just sits way too far in and just look a little bit small. Look how far in it sticks. It's pretty bad. I think getting some new wheels will help tie it all in together really well. And I need to get the windows tinted, because I don't like fishbowl. The fishbowl doesn't look all that well. But I think it came out pretty good. So now it's gonna sit for a bit while I get some more parts ordered in, so I can get it fixed up, so I can actually get it on the road again. At the moment, it's still not quite drivable, though a wheel bearing in it is completely rooted, so I gotta pull that out and put a new bearing in it. And then at the same time, I might as well get the diff sorted, because I gotta take the axles out anyway to get access to that wheel bearing. So I'll probably film that and show you guys how I'm going about that. Got an interesting diff to put in for it. But yeah, we'll see that on the next video. Oh, I'm just so happy with it. I'm so glad to finally have a nice car again. I'll throw in a picture of what it used to look like when I first bought it, because it looked completely different. When I first bought it, it was blue, but all the clear coat on the top was peeling. There was damage to the rear bumper. There was damage to the fenders in the rear. Yeah, it looks completely different now. Even the headlights turned out really well. I figured that when I was painting the car, I'd just scuff them up with some 800 grit, try and take some of the yellowing out of them, and then give them a hit with some clear coat. They came out really well. They almost look new, which is nice, because otherwise my other option was to replace the lenses. I was thinking of doing like custom headlights, but since it's going to be eventually like a track car, then it's not really worth doing it. But yeah, it came out really well. Alright, so I'm gonna end things there. Yeah, so happy with it. I can't wait to drive it. It's still very slow, but it looks so much better. Oh, so good. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then, have a good night.